want to tell you about how I ended up with a 3-cylinder diesel tractor engine and a 1999 Harley Softail. My plan to marry the two and ride this thing over 1,000 miles. I'm Colonel Crankshaft and this is my cookbook. So this all started when I was a young kid and I was trying to catch up with my father on a bicycle. I would imagine twisting this throttle to catch up to him. It only took me 4 or 5 years to try and dream up some electric bike that I was planning to build, and then the workshops closed and everything shut down. I had to wait another few years, and over 14 months with a lot of help from other people, I'm well on my way to building Biomotive. So this is just an introduction, but I'm going to be speaking about how I raised $15,000, how I got this Kubota diesel engine that they kindly gifted to us, how to sketch from an ex-Ferrari automotive designer, and so much more as I build this thing, and all of the intricacies on how to put a diesel engine in a motorcycle. I don't know much about engine mechanics on a motorcycle. I'm definitely not a diesel mechanic, but here I am, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. I'll give you a hint. You ask for advice from experts. It's just that simple, and through that kindness you can make a lot of progress. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Please subscribe.